Today, we're embarking on a day trip from Hanoi to Ninh Binh, Vietnam.
So this is Ninh Binh. Cut.
And this is something else. Cut.
First up, we'll be exploring the historic Hoa Lu, which served as the capital of Vietnam during the 10th and 11th centuries.
Next, we'll hop on our bicycles and take in the stunning landscapes this region has to offer.
After working up an appetite, we'll feast on a delicious buffet lunch, because who doesn't love a good meal while exploring?
We're at intermission, so.
And then, we're off to ride a boat through the waters of Trang An, a natural wonder and UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its stunning limestone karst landscape, beautiful waterways, and rich biodiversity.
Finally, we'll tackle the challenge of climbing 500 steps to Lion Dragon Mountain for some jaw-dropping views that you won't want to miss.
Stick around as we uncover the beauty and adventures that Ninh Binh has to offer.
Good job.
Impossible. Ninh Binh and also we made it's in time for us right now. So with that, thank you so much. Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you. Come on. Thank you very much.
Daisha was napping a little bit, and I had to wake her up.
I woke up to a great view.
Yeah.
I'm groggy. He gave us something.
I gave you motion sickness stuff, so we're kind of groggy right now. And also hungry. Lunch is at 12, which is in about an hour, so we got an hour to wait.
We're gonna visit this temple. Unfortunately, you have to have your knees covered, which makes sense. My knees are not covered, but they have like a blanket or something that I'm gonna be able to wrap up with. And he's really explaining this whole wall right here and how it's showing like the history of this land and how it's changed over time. It's kind of cool. We're about to go see the original temple, the one that was like first here. That's
cool.
crazy.
Good history.
Original temple, but the capital has changed names how many times?
Like a bazillion times.
That's wild.
I just don't understand how like stuff that was built that long ago is still standing, and we build stuff today and it doesn't even last 10 years. Is it the aliens?
It's aliens.
Brown with the new chain, Is it for the short, only the short?
You look good. You look fashionable.
It is the color of this year, 2025.
We have to enter from the right
Explore
side.
inside the
You're supposed to have good luck if you do it that way. And there's a middle entrance, but only like the royal family or the king is supposed to go through that entrance. And then when you enter through the right gate, you're supposed to bow to show respect.
It's not a temple? No, it's the emperor. They're worshiping the emperor.
They went the wrong way.
Shame.
You went the wrong way.
So we just got done visiting the temple, which is really cool. Now we're gonna ride some bicycles. Pretty excited about it, a little bit nervous. I think last time I rode a bicycle I fell.
Oh no.
But we got this.
If you don't want to ride the bike, you don't have to. You can just go straight to lunch. It's funny because we're gonna burn calories first and then go eat a lot of food. All right, let's get to biking.
It's not that hard. I just haven't done it in a minute. It's like, well, you know what they say, it's like riding a bicycle. So we'll see if it's like riding a bicycle.
Okay, so the time, let's follow me everyone.
Matthew, wait for us.
Yeah, the best rider.
Freedom! Yeehaw! All right, we're at the first official checkpoint. How you feeling?
I feel good. This is so much fun.
We went through 2 tunnels, saw a whole bunch of scenery. Adrenaline's pumping. Woo!
My legs are burning.
That's good. That means you're gonna be hungry later.
My thighs are burning.
Get a little muddy. Yeehaw! Y'all are so cool. Hello, hello, hello. Matthew. All right, we just finished with our bike. What did you say earlier?
I was talking about, we'd love to do it longer, but these don't have any gears. You can't change it, so
It's a 1-speed.
it's 1 speed, so you're using more energy instead of like using less at a higher gear. Is that correct?
Yeah, you're right.
But the higher the gear, the less energy you use. I mean, you have to kind of push.
Yeah. All right, so what are we doing now?
Gonna get some food.
Eat some food, buffet style. Look at Daisha. Look at you. How is it?
Good.
Thank you, Lord, for the food. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful weather. Thank you, Lord, for Matthew. Look at Matthew.
Thank you, Lord, for Matthew.
Yeah. And thank you for keeping us safe on that bike, because that was fun. We're at intermission, so we're going to eat some food. So we'll be right back.
With the boat trip right now, that's gonna be with the Trang An boat trip. Trang has been very long, and An in here has been the peaceful. We're gonna have the very long boat trip in here with the peaceful scenery around us in here.
That's what we're going to do.
Oh, I stuck it. Oh my god, it doesn't fit.
We're off to Trang An water boat. So how long is this ride? Over an hour. It's over an hour. Let's get to this boat ride. I might take a nap, I'll be honest.
Approaching the first cave.
War divides the people. Secret tunnel.
So I guess we're not going to a cave, we're going to a secret tunnel.
Worst case scenario, we swim. All I know is I'm getting some bon meal.
What do you see?
The Coast Guard.
It's the Coast Guard here in Trang An.
Right there. We have our flotation devices on.
Xin chào. Xin chào bạn tôi. It's time for a song about Vietnam. The war divides the people. Secret tunnel. Through the mountains. Secret. Oh.
Watch your head.
How great thou Lord. I love it. You can go to church anywhere. We just had church in this cave.
There you go.
All right. I did it. my feet are asleep. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Check this out.
Vietnam. This place is beautiful. Crazy. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that architecture.
A bell. We got a bell in the middle.
Oh yeah.
So in front of us is a water pavilion. It's a structure that floats above the water on major holidays. Every year, there are ethnic music groups performing for tourists, And then designated as the Phoenix Mountains in the middle is the head of the Phoenix.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, okay.
Phoenix, do you see it?
Come on.
So this is a holy cave.
Is it because it's got a big hole in it?
Secret tunnel. Wow.
Xin chào. So we just finished looking at some temples, and now I believe we are heading back. All right, Matthew, tell us about your life story.
Life story. I had severe ADHD, not prepared for it. My mom was working all the time. The therapist said I was the poster child.
What I really meant was like,
Oh, backstory. Why am I in Asia?
yeah.
Well, oh, that's the backstory. Okay, don't put that in any of your videos.
I think we should include it.
Oh my God!
Are those carp? Those are carp.
Carp and koi.
Woo! Good job.
Number one!
We're back at land.
We're about to hike up some steps.
Really beautiful steps. after this.
500 steps.
Yeah.
I'm gonna count every one.
No, don't do that.
Not really.
All right. We'll see you there. We're gonna go on top of this. Come on. Can I keep it? Oh, they can keep it.
For those seeking a more laid-back experience, this area offers numerous serene spots to unwind and fully appreciate the breathtaking beauty of the surrounding landscape.
Oh, they're steep.
Let's do it.
You guys ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
He said, give me a second.
I'm dying.
Yeah, what's up, buddy? How you feeling?
Something like that, someone like that is touching me.
My legs are burning. It's just my legs.
How's your legs feeling?
He ain't feeling it.
It's a long way. Like seriously, like look at that. Sorry. We started from down there, and now we're all the way up here. We gotta go up there.
Everywhere else is crowded.
We can walk over there and see the rest of the dragon.
I did it. If I could do it, you could do it. Adrian!
Adrian, I did it. What's happening?
Oh, I'm going back. I'll meet you down.
Alright. Meet us where we just were hanging out at, okay? And I have climbing shoes on. Definitely slippery.
I'm so glad the dragon's hurt. Because I didn't know.
That's all you're done for. I'm just kidding. holding this thing with one hand.
Be careful, okay?
Alright, so this whole hike has been so sketchy. I have been so sketched out this whole time, and it is not fun.
I've had a great time, but I haven't been carrying all the camera.
Yeah, everybody's climbing on it at the same time. We got 30 minutes to go down, so love that. Sorry, man. Hey, Matthew. Hey, Matthew. Start walking down. Oh, look, we're at the dragon. Oh, look at that.
Hey!
Hey! Crazy. Crazy how that works. Okay, let's go. Excuse me.
This is the way. You just gotta get on this right here. You mean to grab your back? Okay.
You got it?
That dude standing there.
Yeah.
Hard.
Yeah.
Good job. Hopefully the hardest one.
What's your name, man?
Michael.
Michael?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Alright, safe travels.
Appreciate you too, man. Oh, that was not fun. But hey, we did it. But did you die though?
Did you die though? Did you die though?
But did you die?
Shout out to my mom.
Did you die though?
She loves that saying. It's from The Hangover. This is so much fun.
Yeah.
Everybody's having a great day.
You going up that one?
No,
No, we got a shot at it.
we gotta get back too. Ooh, slow down. How was your hike on the Lying Dragon?
So did not go all the way to Lion Dragon. I was like basically a step, but there's, okay, so basically there's too many people on there. I am too big, slippery. I mean, crap is slippery. I have strict orders by my parents to outlive them. I decided I'll abide by that.
Yeah, you saw what we were going through, and just imagine Matthew trying to go through that. No offense, Matthew, but you're like two or three times my size.
And I was like, I'm glad I had stopped.
Yeah, you did good. Good job.
That was so much fun.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us. Team
Nemo, and Vin Diesel. Vin Diesel. Good job, Vin Diesel. Everybody do good? Everybody good? Yeah. Woo, we survived, yay. We almost didn't. See, I told you, almost didn't.
We are the champions, my friend.
Bam, bam.
Yes, that's right. And with the last. Yes, and now is it bye bye with Ninh Binh? Yeah.
Tạm biệt.
Ninh Binh, Hanoi City. Here we go. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, for today. Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Yes.